Whoa. Very therapeutic. It feels like you're grating mozzarella cheese. Just watch your fingers. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nikole. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. I post here every single Wednesday and Friday. Usually I am making recipes that I have created, but in today's video, I am gonna be making healthy TikTok inspired recipes. These look so good. I saw them. I'm not even a big TikTok scroller, even though I am on TikTok. I saw these recipes and they looked so good, and I knew I had to try them. So I figured, why not try them with all of you so you can see if it's worth it to make it and if they are truly delicious. And I don't know about you guys, but when I'm looking at recipes on TikTok, sometimes the measurements and directions are a little bit vague. So I'm gonna have all 3 recipes listed down below for you guys to check out. They'll be on my blog. I'll link the resources that I found them from on TikTok, but I will give you some more in-depth tutorials on how to actually recreate them if they do turn out good. So the lineup today is we have a green goddess salad, we have a eggy custard baked fruit toast, and then we have a shredded or a grated hard-boiled egg avocado toast. I don't know the official names, but they all look really good and they do look pretty healthy. So we are gonna make all 3 and try them together and see if they are worth it. All right, let's hop right in. All right, first things first, let's get the hard-boiled eggs boiling because I've heard that it's better to grate them if they're chilled. So I already have a pot of water boiling as well as Sage's lunch going on at the same time. And I'm gonna get the eggs in so we can get that cooking while we work on the first recipe. Step 1 complete. All right, our first official recipe is with a green cabbage. I haven't bought cabbage in so long, and this is for the green goddess salad. It kind of looks like a slaw. I don't know, either looks like there's way too much going on or is the best thing ever. So we're gonna try it out. There's a lot of chopping involved and a lot of green ingredients, hence the name Green Goddess. So I'm gonna get everything out. Let's chop everything, make the salad, and then there's a dressing involved as well, which we will need a blender for. And this one is just like, I think the most interesting out of the, actually no, I don't know, the custard egg toast looks really cool too. So let's get chopping. Cabbage, cucumber, green onion, chives, jalapeno, avocado. Let's chop. All right, I can't actually cut this jalapeno because I have a sensitivity to the hot oils from it. So I'm gonna get Chloe to come in and chop this for me. Does anyone else get that? Like, I have to wear rubber gloves, otherwise this will burn my hands for like hours. But I can eat it, I just can't cut it. So calling in backup. Take that white thing out. Oh my God, that's so dangerous. Oh my God. This is why you, Matt, cut yourself in the last week in the kitchen. That's how she does it in the video. And for the dressing, kale, basil, dill, lemon, shallot, garlic, walnuts, cashews, rice vinegar, nutritional yeast, olive oil, salt. All right, so once you've made a complete mess of your kitchen, you can blend your dressing. Also, I got a bug bite. I don't know how. I mean, the window's open and my face is swelling, so that's fun. You definitely need a good blender for this recipe. Do we have enough liquid in here for it to blend? That's probably why you need 2 lemons. Lid, blend. How this is supposed to blend. Hang on. check TikTok. TikTok knows all. There's not enough liquid in this. Hang on, let me move around the ingredients. There is no way this is gonna blend. This is why you need measurements, because like this ain't blending and this is a good blender. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Is that gonna ruin the recipe? A 1/4 cup, just a little bit of water. Maybe my lemons weren't juicy enough. We're in Florida. We got juicy lemons. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just enough to get it going. Is it supposed to be this silky? Yeah. It's berry green. Let's give it a taste test. Whoa. A lot of flavor. Wow, it really tastes, it's kind of like pesto meets like a green goddess dressing. It's really good. Get every last bit. You definitely need a lot of dressing because the cabbage kind of just soaks it all up. Okay, we got Matt here. He's gonna taste test this together. Okay, do you know what this is? Well, these are
fried beans on a, I don't know what those are called.
Tostada. I'm gonna load it up, okay?
It's gonna be stinky, like stinky breath.
Yeah, there's a lot of garlic and onion in this. Okay, hang on. You ready? Cheers. Okay, go.
That's good.
Do you know there's cabbage in here?
Oh no, I didn't know that.
There's cabbage, cucumber, jalapeno. I feel like I have it all over my face. It does take like, it does taste like a crunchy guacamole.
It's good. Be a good like Super Bowl snack.
I was just gonna say a party snack. Okay. Next recipe we are making is the famous custard toast that is like taken over the internet. It looks so good and it looks like a pretty healthy breakfast. You got your protein, you got like there's egg, yogurt, a little spice in there too, and it's all like just nestled into a slice of toast baked in the oven with some berries on top. We can do berries, chocolate. I've seen a mixture of different things and it looks so good and like a nice dessert to start your day. So we are gonna get the ingredients and put this together. It seems like a quicker one than the first. And so it's like, we had our lunch. We actually did break for lunch. We ate that all, it was delicious. I probably rate it like a 9 out of 10, would make again. And now this is like our dessert. So let me grab the ingredients and let's whip this toast up. Oh, and I have the oven preheating 350 Fahrenheit. A lot of the recipes say air fryer. I don't got an air fryer, even though I kind of want one, but I think you can still use an oven. So we'll see what the cooking time is for that. Okay, ingredients: bread, egg, Greek yogurt, berries, maple syrup, cinnamon, vanilla, and that is all. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, toast. So for the bread, you wanna get something sliced and something that is extra soft so you can easily smush it down, and also so it just gives it that like custardy French toast vibe. And I've seen people do it with their fingers and just press it down, or with a large spoon. So you're just gonna press, and kind of make a little well, not a well, a little landing, a little scoop. Chloe's trying to help me out here. A little bowl, what's the word? A little divot. I'll think about it as I do this. You know what, fingers are, you don't need the spoon, just use your fingers. I don't know why everyone uses a spoon. What is the word? A little well, a little pool, a pool, yes. Okay, you just like, it's like you're making a little pool for the custard. A little foundation for the pool. Okay, one done. Very therapeutic. So you want to evenly divide it into both pieces. I'm very impressed with this measurement, I will say. Hopefully it doesn't overflow when I add my berries. Okay, so for the air fryer method, this recipe says 4 to 5 minutes. I feel like that's not, hang on one sec. Cook in the air fryer for 45 minutes. The custard should be set and starting to caramelize. Why does this say, oh, oven. Oh, okay, 8 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna pop this into a preheated oven at 350. Very carefully so it doesn't overflow. Okay, I have to say I am so impressed with this toast. It smells amazing. It kind of has like French toast custardy vibes, and it actually looks like it's set. I had to bake it longer, so definitely check out my directions in the blog post linked down below. The 8 to 12 minutes was not long enough, and I'm using a gas stove, which I find tends to cook quicker. So, all right, let's do a taste test. Okay, I can't lie, this is my second time tasting this because the audio cut out. So I was trying to reenact it again. I'm not that good of an actor. So definitely an interesting flavor and texture. It's kind of like scrambled eggs meets custard, French toast. It gives me like Sunday morning vibes. I think it's a really unique and fun recipe. And okay, the audio cut out again, but we're good now. So would I make these again? I think they're fun. You know, to be honest, like I think I enjoy French toast a little bit more, and it still has that custardy like taste. But yeah, I think these are fun. Definitely worth a try. I'm going to finish them, and you know, they're like just a unique, fun breakfast option. So give it a try. I'm gonna have my full recipe linked down below with the cooking time, and you guys can tell me what you think in the comments down below. Have you tried this trend? Do you think it's like weird or the best thing ever? Let me know. But I'm gonna keep eating it. Go with the berries. Blech. Never mind. All right, last but not least, we are making the famous grated egg avocado toast. It's a really easy one. I'm gonna put the exact like measurements just in the info box down below. I don't think this even needs a full recipe. It's pretty much avocado toast with grated egg, but we are gonna test it to see, is it worth it? Is it better than just like a fried egg on top? It seems really intriguing, and I'm a big boiled egg fan. I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are probably like, I hate boiled eggs. Matt is one of them, he is not a fan, but they're a great like quick mom snack. I like to boil a few, have them in the fridge, and just like have them as a quick lunch. So if I can just grate one on avocado toast and it tastes delicious, I'm all about that. So I got the eggs that I boiled this morning, or when we started filming, it's been a day, and I let them chill as well, because I heard that it's easier to grate them when they're cold. So I would just, like I said, meal prep these, have them in the fridge, and then you can just grate them. And honestly, I feel like it's just fun to grate eggs. It's great. I want to see what it's like. I'm gonna toast up some bread, but let's get the ingredients out and see what we need for this one. Sliced bread, avocado, hard-boiled egg, cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Time to grate. Okay, this might be the most satisfying thing I've ever done. Can you see this? It feels like you're grating mozzarella cheese. Just watch your fingers. So here it is, the grated egg avocado toast. We're gonna do a little taste test and see if it makes a difference. Wait, I feel like I need to get a good eggy part. I like it. It kind of reminds me of like an egg salad. It's definitely like more of a cold toast sandwich because you got like the avocado and then the egg and the cheese. I did look back and a lot of them don't have cheese on it, so you don't have to do that. I mean, you don't have to do anything and make it how you want, but I do think it's yummy with the cheese. Even goat cheese I think would be good. Yeah, I would definitely eat this again. Like if I have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge and I don't want to just eat them like as a hard-boiled egg, this is a fun way just to kind of level it up and just make a fun new version of avocado toast. I would hands down make this again. I feel like I'm impressed with all 3 of these recipes. And this one's just like a super easy, quick breakfast or lunch or dinner with like some soup or something. This is good. You have to like hard-boiled eggs, but it's good. Thumbs up. There you have it, 3 healthy TikTok-inspired recipes. Let me know in the comments down below which one you were most excited to try. Have you made any of these? Are there other recipes you would like me to make on my channel? Let me know. Honestly, these are just fun. I see these recipes online and I'm curious, like, what do those actually taste like? So hopefully I helped inspire you guys to try something new and feel like all of these are worth a try. So let me know if you try them. If you like these style of videos, I actually did another one, I think when I was pregnant. Chloe, was I pregnant? Yes, I think I was. I will link that here for you guys to check out. If you enjoyed this style of video and want to see more of it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free. I post here every single Wednesday and Friday, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.